Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am sharing with you some very attractive and beautiful designs of macrame bookmarks. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs of bookmarkers in this video. All of them very unique and different from each other. And these designs are beginner friendly. These are mostly similar to macrame bracelets designs and macrame bag tags and keychains. All of these designs are having very attractive and beautiful frings at the end, and tassels are also added on most of these designs. You can see this beautiful design which is having a pom pom at one side and a tassel at the other side, and some of the designs are having tassels at both sides as well. So I hope you're gonna love them all of them very unique and attractive. Some of them are having beadwork in the end of macrame bookmarker as well, like you can see this design. So all of these designs are very unique and beginner friendly. Different macrame knotworks are used to make them, especially macrame half inch knot is used. So you can see very thin cord of macrame is used to make them. You can use different macrame cords for this purpose. If you want more shiny bookmarker, you can also make them with the help of shimmer cord, and very thin cord which is mostly used in jewelry making items can also be used for this purpose. So you can use any kind of material which you want and you are comfortable in working with, and you can make these kinds of macrame bookmarkers very easily. You can just make them in white or off-white color, and you can use colorful cords to make them as well. Like most of the designs are also made with purple, mustard, red, black colors. So it is up to you which kind of color scheme do you want to make your bookmarker. So you can make them in any of the color scheme, in any of the design. You can just take a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make. You can make it by yourself at home. And if you don't know macrame work at all, you can also purchase them from etsy.com. These type of bookmarkers of macrame work and all other kinds of macrame accessories and other handmade accessories are available on etsy.com. You can visit Etsy to purchase them. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and if you are new to my channel. And after pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload any video, you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So stay connected and share this video with other macrame lovers. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.